Whether it is possible to be use sports and health even with an excess weight? Scientific York University's Faculty of Health have decided to answer this question. Results of a research have shown that the physical activity can be more important for people with obesity than weight. The research has shown that people with an excess weight who play sports have a similar profile of health with those who had normal weight. Studying of influence of cardiorespiratory exercises on cardiovascular diseases among patients with moderate and heavy obesity was a research objective. Results of the research have shown that even people with heavy obesity, with the index of body weight exceeding 40, can be sports and rather healthy. Obesity has been connected with bad health only at those people with an excess weight who are in sports and active. When obesity goes beyond BMI 40, the risk of cardiovascular diseases increases exponential. However, our research shows that the high level of physical activity is very useful to human health with an excess weight, and it emphasizes extreme importance of fitness once again, Jennifer Cook, the employee of Faculty of Healthcare has told. Researchers have studied data of 853 patients visiting clinics on management of weight in Yuzhny of Ontario. It has turned out that the fitness volume necessary for improvement of health was much less than was considered earlier. And these exercises can be even insufficiently in order that the person has begun to lose weight. It has turned out that 150 minutes of exercises a week, as a rule, lead to insignificant loss of weight, only about 200 grams. Nevertheless, even such volume of exercises considerably improves the state of health at persons with heavy obesity. So even those exercises which don't lead to loss of weight are incredibly important for health, especially for people with obesity. In the practice, I often see patients who want to achieve different results. Some patients want to achieve exclusively aesthetic result, that is to lose weight. Others have enough only improvement of the health. Our research has authentically shown that people shouldn't lose first of all weight to be healthy. For a start, it is rather simple to support itself in good physical shape, regularly carrying out the minimum set of exercises and to lead active lifestyle, the co-author of the research Shawn Wharton has concluded.